Well, hey everyone, welcome back to Lead's YouTube channel. I am Parampreet, a language expert. In this video, we are going to talk about all the updated templates for the describe image section of the Pearson PT test, structured as per the latest November updates. These templates will help you stay fluent while presenting clear and relevant information about the image in front of you. The beauty of this method, it's simple, effective, and allows you to maintain fluency without getting overwhelmed by the content. Before diving into the templates, let's first understand the updated describe image task. First point to remember, speak relevant content. Earlier, we could just describe random colors or numbers visible in the image and that was enough. Not anymore. Now the test requires you to explain the key information and trends in the image. Second, fluency over perfection. While content matters more than before, fluency is still the most important aspect. Don't overthink or panic about interpreting data. If you mistakenly give incorrect numbers or details, it's okay. The software won't penalize you for minor errors. Speak for 25 to 30 seconds. Make sure your response is structured and lasts around 25 to 30 seconds. This is the sweet spot to score well on both fluency and content. Here is a one-size-fits-all structure that you can use for any type of image. First one is introduction. The image provided is mention the type of the image. It could be a bar, line, pie, table, map, or diagram. That gives information about, mention the main topic or theme of the image. Then talk about the details. Let's say while the x-axis talks about dash, the y-axis talks about dash. It is evident that mention the highest value. Conversely, mention the lowest value. Another interesting point is mention any observation such as a sudden increase or a sudden decrease. Overall, this image illustrates, summarize the main message or trend. Let's look at some examples and practice with bar and line graph. Now let's apply this template to real examples of images. So here is a bar graph. It is showing population data for France, Mexico, Nigeria, and the UK in the years 1980, 1990, and 2000. So my response would be, the image provided is a bar graph that gives information about the population of different countries from 1980 to 2000. While the x-axis talks about the years 1980, 1990, 2000, the y-axis talks about the population in millions ranging from 0 to 90. It is evident that in 1980, France had a population of 55 million, which was one of the highest. Conversely, the population in the UK during this time remained relatively low at around 20 million. Another interesting point is that Mexico experienced a significant rise in population in the year 2000, reaching 80 million. Overall, this image illustrates population trends across various countries over 3 decades. Example 2, line graph. Now let's imagine a line graph showing product sales from October 2019 to June 2025 in thousands of USD. My response would be, the image provided is a line graph that gives information about product sales in thousands of USD from October 2019 to June 2025. X-axis talks about the months and years. The y-axis talks about the sales in thousands ranging from 0 to 50. It is evident that in October 2019, product sales were at 30,000. Conversely, in March 2020, sales dropped significantly to 10,000. Another interesting point is that in June 2025, sales reached their highest level of 45,000. Overall, this image illustrates the trends in product sales over time. Don't memorize generic lines. Always customize the template based upon the information visible in the image. Generic lines and templates can lead to lower scores if the software detects irrelevant or repetitive content. Even if you misinterpret data, keep talking about it confidently. The software values smooth delivery over absolute accuracy. Practice with different images. Try using this template with various image types like pie chart, tables, maps, and process diagrams. So that is how you can use this one-size-fits-all template to ace the describe image task in your PTE test. Practice speaking using this structure and focus on fluency more than perfection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out the description box for links to sample responses and other helpful resources. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll discuss strategies for the retail lecture task as well.